Hello friends, today's lesson will help you to widen your vocabulary faster. And you will learn to make verbs and nouns by adding n and s to adjectives. N changes adjectives to verb, which means to become, cause, or to make. Whereas ness is added to adjectives to form noun. It refers to condition or quality. Awake, awaken, awakeness. Bright, brighten, brightness. Cheap, cheapen, cheapness. Dark, darken, darkness. Fat, fatten, fatness. Glad, gladden, gladness. Light, lighten, lightness. Mad, madden, madness. Neat, neaten, neatness. Oak, oaken, oakness. Quick, quicken, quickness. Ripe, ripen, ripeness. Smart, smarten, smartness. Tough, toughen, toughness. Weak, weaken, weakness. Now deepen your knowledge of English more to become an expert soon. Thanks, and don't wait to share and subscribe.